I'm excited to show you how service technicians contribute to real-time maintenance tracking in your shop using EMDECS. Have a look at this. How can we save time and money and track repairs in real time? There's so much to gain if we can have service technicians be part of the solution. After all, they know the repairs better than anyone. All we have to do is give them the right tool and make it easy to use. This is the EMDECS Technician Repair Order. We call it Tech RO, and there's nothing more here than a tech will need. Any PMs due, repairs added by the service manager, or jobs not completed the last time the unit was in will be right here, using large, clear icons. Start the clock with one click to track the amount of time it takes to complete the repair. When the job is complete, click the next job. The clock stops on the previous job and starts on the next one. No kidding, that's it. Jobs can be selected in any order. Multiple technicians can use the same workstation. Add parts from inventory in real time. You can also run Tech RO completely wirelessly in a service truck. The results are the same. Real-time maintenance tracking with no double entry and greater efficiency for the organized shop. When it comes to the efficiency of your business, EMDECS has all the answers. Visit us today at emdecs.com.